Mastering commas and adverb clauses. Unravel the mystery. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle an important grammar topic: commas and adverb clauses. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a much better understanding of when and how to use commas and adverb clauses to make your sentences more clear and precise. Let's dive in. Before we begin, it's essential to refresh our memory about what an adverb clause is. An adverb clause is a group of words that function as an adverb in a sentence. It means they modify a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. The adverb clause gives information about the condition, reason, manner, or time related to the action stated in the main clause. Here's an example: because it's raining, I will stay at home. The adverb clause, because it's raining, modifies the verb, stay, and gives the reason for the action. Now, let's focus on the main topic: comma usage with adverb clauses. When an adverb clause starts the sentence, we generally use a comma to separate it from the main clause. Our previous example perfectly illustrates this. Because it's raining, I will stay at home. Here, the comma after the adverb clause, because it's raining, separates it from the main clause, I will stay at home. While it's a good general rule, it's not always necessary to use a comma after an adverb clause at the beginning of a sentence. If the adverb clause is short and the connection to the main clause is clear, the comma can be omitted. Here's an example: when it rains, I stay at home. In this case, even without a comma, the sentence is clear. What happens when the adverb clause is at the end of the sentence? Well, we usually do not use a comma. For example, I will stay at home because it's raining. You can see in this sentence there's no need for a comma before the adverb clause, because it's raining. So there you have it. Now you have a better understanding of how to use commas in adverb clauses. Remember, when the adverb clause is at the start of the sentence, we usually use a comma. But when it's at the end, we usually don't. And of course, as with any grammar rule, there are exceptions. Keep practicing, and soon enough, these rules will become second nature. I hope you found this video helpful. Happy writing, and see you in the next lesson.